Welcome to the deep dive. So today we're digging into your source material.
Yeah, this one's about finding apartments, specifically in South End, Charlotte.
That's right. We've got this excerpt here. It's titled Charlotte South End Apartments.
And it zeroes in on a particular phrase, doesn't it?
It does. Apartments, Charlotte and South End. And crucially, it links that phrase to apartmentneighborhoods.com.
Right. So our mission here, really, is to kind of unpack what this single piece of information tells us.
Yeah.
What can we learn just from this connection?
It seems pretty straightforward, but maybe not. Okay, so let's unpack it.
Yeah.
The sources, well, it's very direct. It doesn't give you listings or prices or, what the amenities are like.
No details like that.
None. What it does give is this very specific phrase, apartments, Charlotte and South End, and connects it right to that one website, apartmentneighborhoods.com. What's the significance there?
Well, what's fascinating, I think, is how it immediately flags that website, apartmentneighborhoods.com, as a resource specifically for that location.
Not just Charlotte, but South End.
Exactly. South End, Charlotte, North Carolina, it's super localized. So based only on what we have here, it's telling you, the listener, if you're trying to find a place in that specific neighborhood, this source points to that website.
Right. So for you listening, if South End is maybe on your radar,
Yeah.
this source isn't handing you apartment keys, obviously, but it's like giving you a specific web address, a destination where information matching that exact phrase supposedly lives.
It's like a little signpost online.
Yeah, like finding a map legend that says, this symbol means look here for South End apartments.
And if we step back a little, connect this to the bigger picture,
Okay.
it really shows how online real estate searching works now.
Yeah.
How it's so granular.
Granular.
Yeah, websites like potentially apartmentneighborhoods.com structure their information to catch very specific searches. People aren't always just typing apartments,
Right.
like-
They're searching for apartments downtown or apartments near the park or...
or, in this case, apartments Charlotte and South End. And this source snippet is kind of a perfect illustration of that exact match happening.
So it suggests the website sort of anticipates that search, that someone typing that has a very specific need.
Precisely. That they have a different intent than someone just searching Charlotte apartments broadly. And the site is set up, supposedly, to meet that very focused need.
It really highlights how location-aware everything has become online, down to the neighborhood level.
Exactly. It's not about the technical stuff behind it, but the result for you, the user. The internet is organized more and more to let you find info for these tiny geographic areas.
Okay, so wrapping this part up, what does it all mean then? This source gives a direct pointer.
It does.
If you're thinking South End apartments, the source connects apartments Charlotte NC South End with apartmentneighborhoods.com. It's telling you where to potentially look online.
It's a specific direction based on that phrase.
Got it.
And, this brings up an interesting point to think about. Consider the efficiency. Think about how specific resources like this, tailored to really granular searches like apartments Charlotte and South End, change the game.
Right, compared to just general searching.
Exactly. What does having such a targeted online resource mean for how quickly, how effectively you can find information when you know precisely where you want to look, right down to the neighborhood? It really streamlines things, doesn't it? Something to consider.